beautiful people. Hi. Oh, you can hear. And today will be... Today's the big day. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I finally get to put on lashes. So I picked up the Cecile Lashes by House of Lashes at Sephora. And I'm hoping this takes 5 minutes to put on. Makeup is done already, so I just have to put these on. I bought the Huda Beauty Lash Glue because I heard that lasts for 50 million years. So this assures me that it will not be like yanking off my face while I'm out. I'm heading out for a few things, as well as the Constance White How to Slay book launch, well, book event that she's having. I'm hoping I can just put these on. Boop, boop. Short, quick, and simple. I do not even have tweezers. I know some people use tweezers. I plan on using my fingers. I didn't have time to run to the store to get tweezers today. And I really just want to wear them ASAP. So I'm going to put them on now. First, I'm going to take it off. Oh, let's get up close and personal since this is all about like lashes. Oh, I need a mirror. Okay, I have a mirror. My little janky pink mirror as usual. I know I like measure. I met this guy named Theo at the Vivica A. Fox book launch event that I went to recently. And he told me that a trick is to lift your head up. He's coming out. He's a makeup artist. He's coming out with a lash line. And I'm excited to try his line as well. But he told me the trick is to lift your head up. Keep your head up like this so you can look in the mirror while doing it. So I'm just gonna see if it's like not too long for me. It looks like it's a good length for me. Okay, I should have given myself like an hour to do this, but you know, life happens. So here is the Huda Beauty Lash Glue. That's what I'm gonna use. So I'm just going to... Oh my gosh, I didn't know that much came out at once. Oh my gosh. Okay. I put a thin layer. This lash glue is supposed to dry quickly. Shout out to Imani at Sephora who helped me pick out lashes. She's the realest. Thank Jesus for her. I can't find the top to the glue. Oh my gosh. I don't want the glue. Here it is. Don't do this while rushing, guys. Especially if you're doing it for the first time. This is my official first time putting on lashes. I'm going to assume they're probably dry by now because these are supposed to dry fast. So I'm going to do the left eye because this looks like it would be good for a left eye because it's smaller on this side. So I'm just going to pop her right in. Put your head up. Oh my gosh. He said, I'm shaking. My legs are shaking because I'm so scared. I'm so scared. My legs are shaking. Oh my gosh. Okay. Put your head up. And then you just pop it. And pop it. Okay. Oh. Shh. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. Okay. I'm not going to move. Eye is tearing up. Oh my gosh. Okay, I didn't do that right. I didn't do that right. Okay, I'm gonna do that one over. I didn't do it right. Oh my gosh. Put some glue back on. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna pop it back in. No. How do you not get glue stains on your lids? Like, how? Okay. I can't stop blinking. Oh my gosh, I can't stop blinking. I'm just gonna hold it. Securing it all around. Oh my gosh, I did it. Oh, oh my gosh, I did it. Wait. Yes, I teared up quite a bit. My eyes just like started watering, but can't tell me I didn't do it. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye while that finished drying. While that's drying, I'm gonna do the other eye. I use the glue that's already sitting on my fingers because remember I spilled the glue. It dries fast. The Huda Beauty Lash Glue dries like faster than I expected, which is really good. Nobody has time to be sitting here waiting God knows how long for a lash glue to dry. I'm gonna put this on. Redo. Oh my gosh. Is it like noticeable? Gosh, I feel like I have like stuff sitting on my face. Get the glue off my finger because I have to literally, if I could fly to my destinations right now, I would. I'm so late. But oh my gosh, I have on lashes, guys. Okay, I think the next rule of putting on lashes is to lock her in to make sure that it's seamless. Make sure that they're both touching each other. Connect my fake lash to my real one. So I'm just putting on a little bit of Too Faced Better Than Sex on it. Just a tad. I feel like the right eye was easier than the left eye. I'm a righty. I don't even know why I started with the hard part of my face. Gosh, that was quicker than I thought, and I'm so happy that I finally know how to put on lashes now. I'm hyped. I'm hyped. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you all so very much for watching. I love you so much. I love you. God loves you. I'm gonna get better at putting on lashes. I feel like I could do a better job next time, but I'm still gonna head out with these because they're good enough to go out with, okay? Make sure you subscribe and check out my other videos right over here. Thank you so very much. Bye. Yes.